In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the toolbar on Google Slides. Whether you're new to Google Slides or just looking to brush up on your skills, understanding how to efficiently use the toolbar can greatly enhance your presentation making experience. So let's dive out in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. If you haven't been there before or need a quick reminder, simply open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This step is essential because it allows you to access your documents stored in the cloud and provides seamless integration with other Google Workspace applications. After you've signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides home. Here you'll have the option to start a new presentation or choose from existing ones. For the purpose of exploring the toolbar functionalities effectively, let's start with a blank presentation. Click on blank presentation, or if you prefer, choose a template that suits your needs. Templates can provide a great starting point if you're looking for design inspiration. Once in your new presentation, the toolbar is right below the menu options at the top of your screen. You might wonder, why is this toolbar important? Well, it hosts a range of tools you'll frequently use to create your slides, making it a vital part of your presentation workspace. First on the list of menu options is View. Upon clicking this, you'll see a variety of display settings. These options allow you to customize what you see on your screen, such as rulers, guides and grid lines, which can help with aligning objects on your slides. Next, let's explore the Insert menu. If you're looking to add images, charts, or other multimedia elements to your presentation, this is where you go. Having these visual elements can make your presentations more engaging and informative. Whether it's a picture from your computer or a chart representing data, Google Slides allows seamless integration of these elements with just a few clicks. Now let's move on to Format. This menu is your go-to for text and object styling. It provides options to change your fonts, text size and colors. You can also adjust object properties and arrangements, like sending an image to the back or grouping elements together. A well-formatted presentation not only looks professional but is also easier for your audience to follow and understand. Finally, the main menus house additional options such as switching between themes or even translating your presentation. Exploring these menus will give you an idea of how comprehensive Google Slides is as a tool for creating dynamic presentations. So there you have it, a basic walkthrough of the Google Slides toolbar. By familiarizing yourself with these tools, you can create more effective and visually appealing presentations. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with these features in your next project.